NTD CNC have travelled to the home of Hoffmann Group UK to discuss product evolution and education. Now, John, how important, firstly, is education to you?
Well, gee, I mean, we place great importance on training here at the Hoffmann Group. We have, as you said, our products evolve. So we have product evolution, we have new products that are constantly being developed. So, for example, we've recently launched Catalogue 51. That has 9,000 new products in there, which is roughly 10% of the catalogue. So, in addition to products evolving and new products, we also have legislation changes that we need to keep the industry and our customers, fully up to speed with.
Now, in regards to R&D and the evolution of the product portfolio, how frequently are your products changing?
So we have a dedicated team of specialists in our head office in Munich, Geo, and they are continually looking at the whole product range. So we have specialists and teams across all our different categories and applications, and they are always looking to improve efficiencies so that our customers can increase productivity.
So in the engineering industry, it's not only your products that are evolving, the machine tools are evolving, the cutting tool strategies are evolving, for example. So how do you train and educate not only the end users about your products and the best practice and how to use them, but your own staff?
Firstly, Gia, I mean, we have a continuous improvement program, so everybody is constantly training and learning so they can keep abreast of all the latest changes. On top of that, we have an annual training, which we call the catalogue training. So that basically covers off all new product evolutions and new product introductions into the latest catalogue. So with everyone being trainer compliant, they then impart that wisdom into all of the colleagues.
I mean, this is really impressive because you've got so many products. So, it just fascinates me. How do you train people on so many products?
Well, as we've just said, we impart wisdom into the colleagues, and we have our trained specialists in each specific application area, be it cutting tools, abrasives, PPE, etc. So with those specialists and through a range of training seminars, be it a classroom seminar style, it could be virtual, in person. We also offer on-site toolbox talks, so we get everyone, up close and personal. And on top of that, we can also offer an Orange Day format where we go and actively engage with the business and talk through our whole product range through the 4 volumes of our catalogue.
So with that said, John, will evolution and education ever stop at the Hoffmann Group UK?
In short, no. The world is evolving around us, everything is evolving, and if you stand still, then you've lost the battle. You've got to keep on top of everything, and we will continue to evolve and offer the best that we can.